Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today I got a quick video. It's about a 2016 Kia Soul with the 1.6 liter engine. And this could actually apply to any vehicle having this problem. What the issue is I had a squealing belt. So I replaced the belt, and it was a vehicle that I sold. The customer was complaining that the belt was still squealing. So I got the vehicle back, checked the belt, and this is a brand new belt that I put on there. So I didn't understand what was going on. So I pulled the belt back off, checked all the pulleys, everything seemed to be in good condition. And I told her to try, when from a fresh start is when it would normally squeal. So I told her to try in the evening when she gets home, turn the air conditioner off. And then when she gets up in the morning, from a fresh start, start the engine and let's see if it squeals without the air conditioner being on. And it did not squeal without the air conditioner on. So I started thinking that maybe we've got a bad compressor. So I was telling her that I'm probably going to have to replace the compressor. So I started thinking, and I got the vehicle back. Like I said, I took the belt out, started checking all the pulleys. Sometimes you can get a squeal when your pulleys are misaligned, but that wasn't the case here. Everything was perfect. I looked at it while it was turning, and everything seemed to be perfect. So I just thought, well, maybe the compressor is maybe a little bit hard to turn, and the belt is slipping on the compressor. So what I ended up doing was I put an oil charge, a 3-ounce can of oil charge, the PAG, I think it was PAG 100. Put a 3-ounce oil charge in it, and believe it or not, that solved the problem. Like I said, I was thinking I was going to have to replace the compressor, but I put an oil charge in it, and it fixed the problem. And so I had another customer who was dealing with the same issue that I dealt with yesterday. And so I figured I would try the same thing on his. And he had a 07 Dodge Nitro with a 3.7 liter engine. So the compressor's right on top. So he would start it up. I could hear it squealing, and I could visibly see that the clutch, every time it squealed, I could see the clutch was not actually rotating. So I tried the same thing on his, and it actually didn't work. So in his situation, we're going to actually have to replace the compressor. So I just wanted to put that out there in case anybody is dealing with this. You got a belt squeal, you can't find it. You've replaced the belt, you can't find the issue. You checked all your all your pulleys, all your idler pulleys, all your bearings and everything. Can't find it. If it only happens when the AC is on, it's possible that the AC compressor could be low on oil, or it's possible that it could need to be replaced. So, like I said, this was just a quick video about my experience with that 2016 Kia Soul and a 2007 Dodge Nitro. So, if you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks.